Hello, my name is Alice Bowmaker, and this is a guided meditation for relaxation today. So, taking your time, find a comfortable seated or lying down position, making sure that you're not going to be disturbed and that you're comfortable. And now close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. And take a moment to feel the sensations of the body without judging. And now as you start to breathe, feel with every breath you take, you become more relaxed. Feeling the sensations of the body soften as you breathe. Allowing yourself to rest in the present moment. And as you continue to breathe gently and slowly, notice any sounds that you can hear inside the room or outside the window. And without analyzing, listen to the sounds with the ears. Breathing deeply as you receive the sound into the ears. And with that awareness of the sounds in this present moment, start to relax the back of the head. Feeling now the pelvis soften. And as you breathe, feel that gentle rise and fall of the stomach or the rib cage. Every soothing breath you take relaxes your body. And now become aware of the pelvis and the head at the same time, melting on the inside. Resting in this present moment, aware of the sounds that surround you, as well as the pelvis and the head. Noticing how full of life this present moment is, and sensation. Relaxing now the entire left side of the body and the right side of the brain. Relaxing more with each deep breath. Relaxing the entire right side of the body and the left side of the brain. And now relaxing both sides of the body and both sides of the brain. Every breath you take becomes more and more relaxed. Grounding yourself into the present moment and your body. And let's drop into some breath work now to soothe the nervous system. We will breathe in and out for 4 counts, and then move to 6, and then finish with 8. If any of these don't work for you, just ignore my counting and continue to breathe at a pace that feels good for you. Let's begin. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. For 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And return to your normal breath. Every breath you take relaxes your body, relaxes your mind. Bringing your awareness into your body, listening to the sounds around you, and allowing yourself to rest and anchor into this present moment. And then bringing this practice to a close, thinking of one thing that you feel most grateful for today, that makes you smile on the inside, so that you leave feeling abundant and full. Feel the sensation of the gratitude in the body. And let's take a deep breath in and all the way out. Beautiful. That brings us to the end of our meditation today. Thank you for joining me. It's been such a pleasure. My name is Alice Bowmaker, and if you would like to find out more about me, please see my workshops and events that I have coming up. And you can also subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification button so you don't miss when I'm uploading new content. And you can also follow me on social media at Alice Fitness with Soul. I hope to see you again soon. And please like below if you enjoyed the video and feel free to leave a comment. Thank you.